Hi, this is Kim Rapier with Zozarium. This video is going to talk about a thread organizer bar that I've created. It is based on the hanging file folder method, where you actually spend what I think is an incredible amount of energy making something that is that's not very permanent. So what people have been doing is cutting off the top of a standard size letter file folder, hanging file folder, and then taping it or reinforcing it in some way, and then hole punching, and then labeling, and then getting to the point where you can put on some thread. And that was just way too much energy for me. So what I did was I made this thread holder, and it's a bar that's got, this is made out of engineered wood. It's got the holes already pre-drilled. There are 17. And then it just goes in a standard file folder holder, letter size. So this is a view from the top, because my setup that's basically the only way I can do it. So here is what the bar looks like with some pepper pot, and you can put them on every single one, not just every other. I just did that because I don't have enough pepper pot to fill it up. And then all you do is slip that in, and it hangs there very nicely. So like I said, I will, there'll be more videos that detail all the parts of the system. And thank you. So, and I'll put a link to my Etsy store in the description below. This is Kim with Zozarium. Thank you so much.